Welcome to our review of the NZXT H9 Elite, a mid-tower PC case designed for gamers and PC enthusiasts. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the case's features, design, and overall value to help you decide whether it's the right choice for your build. The NZXT H9 Elite is a mid-tower PC case with a modern and sleek design that is sure to impress. The case features a tempered glass side panel that allows you to showcase your components, as well as a range of convenient features such as a built-in RGB lighting system, an all-steel construction, and a cable management system that makes it easy to keep your build neat and tidy. The NZXT H9 Elite is compatible with a wide range of components, including ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX motherboards, as well as graphics cards up to 413mm long and CPU coolers up to 165mm tall. The case also features a range of customizable options, including removable fan trays, adjustable SSD mounts, and multiple cable routing options. The NZXT H9 Elite delivers excellent cooling performance, thanks to its 3 RF120mm fans and 1 RF140mm fan that provide optimal airflow and cooling to your components. The case also features a removable bracket that allows you to install a radiator for liquid cooling, making it a great choice for high-performance builds. Despite its powerful cooling capabilities, the NZXT H9 Elite is surprisingly quiet, thanks to its noise-dampening materials that absorb sound and vibration. The case also features a built-in fan controller that allows you to adjust fan speeds and noise levels to your liking. The NZXT H9 Elite is priced at a premium level, but its high-quality construction, sleek design, and excellent cooling performance make it a great value for its price point. Overall, the NZXT H9 Elite is an excellent choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want a high-quality, customizable, and aesthetically pleasing case for their build. Its sleek design, impressive cooling performance, and range of convenient features make it a great value for its price point, although it may be too expensive for some budget builds.